In 2016, I joined President Duterte's senatorial slate, motivated by his promise to clean up government and fight drugs. Although Duterte emerged victorious in the presidential race, I lost my bid for the Senate. But fate had other plans. A year later, I received an unexpected text. Congrats, PACC Commissioner. Just like that, I found myself appointed as Commissioner of the Presidential Anti-Corruption Commission. I wasted no time. Corruption was rampant in the DPWH, the Bureau of Customs, and the Bureau of Internal Revenues, or BIR. These agencies were the arteries through which public funds flowed, but they were also the breeding grounds for corruption. But the true battleground was Congress, the most corrupt branch of government. I did not hesitate to declare that we were at war, not just against the officials, but against the systems that protected them. Within a month, we caught a DPWH district engineer on a body cam accepting 4 million pesos bribe. He was immediately removed from office and cases was filed against him. The next day, we exposed another district engineer in Mountain Province extorting 10 million pesos from a contractor for a local congressman. She too was ousted with the full force of the law behind us. To make my stance clear, I summoned all DPWH officials to a mass meeting and delivered an unforgettable message. Not in my watch. Do not make the mistake of getting into corruption again. Because if you do, we will make a parade out of you. We will send you to jail. But the real battle had always been with Congress. The corruption within the legislature wasn't just about individual wrongdoers. It was systemic. I publicly named them as the root of the problem, and the backlash was immediate. Congress demanded that I name names. I refused because only the president, not the PACC, was authorized to expose our case while being investigated. Then, after months of tension, the president called on me to present the corruption report. That night, he read the names of 9 congressmen and 14 district engineers involved in corruption, exposing them on national television. The fallout was explosive. The congressmen launched an inquiry into my actions, but I stood firm. The threats against me became personal, but I was unwavering. In a private meeting with the president, he smiled at me and gave me a 2 thumbs up. You are doing great. Those sons of bitches, who else are corrupt?
Thank you for what you are planning to do, and thank you for what you did. You were doing well as a PACC chairman, and I'm sure that as senator, you will do as equally good.
And then in a moment of sheer resolve, he issued his ultimate mandate. You go. You go there and tell them everything you know. Expose all of them. And when you see them, slap them in the face. Son of a bitch.